dun, dun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's some number blocks. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's some number blocks. 1. Another one is 2. Another one is 3. Another one is 4. Yeah! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is the number blocks. Numberblocks Show! I have no idea what I just said. Yeah, me neither. Lucky! Yeah. Man, I love this 8 action figure. Huh? Let me go to the closet. Skateboard? No. Books? Definitely not. Aha! There we go. Time to play with my... Oh, come on! Let me just... Oh, come on! I'm trying to play with my action figure here, 13. Huh? Oh, I don't know what's happening with me. 7! What is it, 14? 13 is Hiccups. I have an idea. This bag. Really? A bag? Yeah, you just blow in it, and then it will explode. Ah! Hey, I think I got rid of the... Oh, of course that didn't work. What do we do? Maybe the... Oh! Ooh. Hey! That's it! The fangs! Let me just, get this chair Get the chair! Aha! Finally get this book Time to wear these fangs. Ah! Whoa! Ow. Ah, they didn't work. This stupid little... The vampire! It's a vampire! Hey! I don't have the hiccups anymore. Oh, finally! It's a good thing that everything's back to normal. Of course, my 3 keeps falling off. Huh? That's more... Oh, no. No, I got the hiccup. Don't worry, 14, I'll save you!